Welcome, students. Abdul Kalam talks about his childhood days in this autobiographical account. Here is a link. I request all of you to just go to this link and listen to the message which he has given to you all. In this lesson, he talks about his parents who are extremely generous, had always fed anyone who visited their house, or you can say the anyone who visited his house never went hungry, and how they practiced honesty and self-discipline, which Kalam also carried on. Kalam was liberal and progressive in his ideas because of his parents. They had simple living but high thinking. Abdul Kalam, boy with ordinary looks and extraordinary intelligence and sterling qualities, and his immense respect and affection for his parents is quite evident in this lesson, My Childhood. The values which he inherited from his parents. He started working at a very early age. When he was in class 5, he would earn a living, which shows that he was a hard working man and also quite confident and dedicated. I want to know of his teacher, Shiva Subramanya Iyer, a strict Brahmin, but at the same time tolerant and broad minded, since he wanted to bring a change in the society. In those days, he was considered a rebel because he was a part of change. He had to face lot many challenges in his life. Dedicated and a passionate teacher who would never refuse the most stupid query from a student. He always developed a very good rapport with his students. So if the students did not understand the theory, he would take them out and teach them practically. The theme of my childhood is that our life is shaped by our experiences and the people around us. Kalam's secure childhood, inspiring parents, supporting friends, and honest teachers instilled great values in him that gave him wings of fire. So, we will learn this in the chapter My Childhood.